Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my 3-tier tray. So I'm doing an intro, a different day than the day I did this. So I asked you guys what you guys wanted to see, whether you wanted to see my kitchen decorated or my 3-tier tray decorated. And I think what bothered me the most was not having my 3-tier tray done and then just having the stuff laying all out on this table that I have that it was like driving me crazy. So I decided to do the 3-tier tray first, but don't worry you guys, I am working on the kitchen as well because that is really starting to irritate me because I have all of my decorations just everywhere. It's not in a box, not in a little corner, it's just all over my kitchen counter at this point. That will be next week, hopefully, and this one is just gonna be first just because it was easier and it's like my favorite thing to do. I was really excited to do this and it was really inexpensive. I think I paid like under probably $15 to do all of it, which I used a lot of things I already have, which that is like my main goal, is to just use things that I already have, because I feel like as us consumers, and I'm not saying that I'm the only one, I like to buy a lot of stuff and I love, like, you see like spring decorations, you see Easter decorations, you just buy and buy and buy. Well, I try to like not buy and buy and buy. I really do try to use things that I already have, which cut the cost like completely. So I made things, I bought things after Easter last year, so I bought things for like 80% off at Hobby Lobby, and Target I think was like 75 or 90% off. I paid like nothing for all this stuff. Like I said, it's probably $20 or $15 or under. So I'm gonna show you what I came up with. Okay. So this is what my dining room has been looking like next to my 3-tier tray. I have had a lot of this. I had the flower pots from TJ Maxx like from a long time ago. I got them like a year ago. And then the little bunnies are all from Hobby Lobby and Target. The little We Believe in the Easter Bunny sign is from Target, and the last stuff I made or from the Dollar Tree. So we are just gonna get started with this. I thought that I would start at the bottom, and you guys, I'm gonna just say this right now because as I was editing, I totally realized I touched that We Believe in the Easter Bunny sign probably 50 times, moved it like half a centimeter or like half an inch. Like, I don't know why I touched it so many times, but I put that right in the middle because that was the biggest. And then I took these basil, sage, and oregano little pots. These are like redone. I think they're so cute, and I just leave them in here all the time. I don't put the actual basil and stuff in there, so I don't know if that's weird or not, but I just like putting little fake flowers in here and making my tray look really, really cute. And then the little twine carrot and the painted carrot, I made those out of carrot jump ropes from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm just adding this little bunny. This came from Target. I want to say this was under $1 last year. And the We Believe in the Easter Bunny sign, I think that was 30 cents. I think it was 90% off. Everything was so cheap in here. And then the little twine carrots in there were from the Dollar Tree. These little bunnies were $4.99 from Hobby Lobby. And like I said, I think they were 80% off. So they were super, super inexpensive. And I think they're so cute. This little wagon came from Dollar General, and I'm just adding some of these little twine carrots from the Dollar Tree into that. Of course, these little infamous eggs are from the Dollar Tree. I was lucky enough to find a whole bunch of these, and I really wanted a lot of them for the 3-tier tray, and I only ended up using one package of them, and I kind of just scattered them all over the place. And then, like I said, I made these. I made 2 of each of them, and that is why I made them, because I really wanted them for the tray. I also decorated the back, which was really exciting because I usually just throw everything in the back I don't want to use, and then I just put it back there. But I decided to make it look a little bit nice. I don't know why, but I did. And the little burlap lavender or lilac, I don't know which one it is. I don't really know flowers, and I'm totally okay with that, so don't tell me, please. But that is also from the Dollar Tree. And then I got that little canister in the back from Hobby Lobby. Those are always really inexpensive when they're on sale. And then I just made a little moss ball with the little foam balls and moss from the Dollar Tree. And then this little watering can is also from Hobby Lobby. Another moss ball, of course, because we just like to have moss everywhere. And then this cute little windmill, this came from Dollar General, and I don't know why, but I want to see if it worked. And it kind of works, so I thought that was really cute. And then this I just threw together with a Dollar Tree vase, moss, and some of those eggs. And then I got that little candle stand off of Amazon. And this birthday cake candle by DW Home is my absolute favorite, and that is from the TJ Maxx. But you guys, that is it. And if you have any other questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. I know I talk really fast, but It runs in my blood, so you guys can blame that on my mom, blame that on my grandma. That's just how our family is. We love talking super, super fast. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think of my 3-tier tray. I usually do it really, really farmhouse and really, really green, but this year I really wanted like the pops of color in my house and a little fun Easter type bunnies and stuff like that for my girls. But you guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again.